Hi Anna, I'm not sure that I answered your question before, so I wanted to show you why you weren't seeing any survey information. Wanted you to see that I'm impersonating you so that I'm seeing it and you're seeing it through your own account. So I've gone into the Dropbox folder, and if you'll remember, I had to create that extra Dropbox right down here where you submitted it. If I just click on that, that's where you submit it, but that's not what I'm going to look at. So I've handed back feedback, and I just want you to look at that. The reason that I wasn't able to give you an annotated copy is because when I click on your document, you did a good job in terms of including the Google link, but it doesn't allow me to view it. So if you go into the Dropbox, I'm just going to show you again. So the Dropbox, and there was that extra category right down here, view feedback, is that I put feedback in the comment section. So you won't see annotation here, but can you make it shareable? Unfortunately, your link wouldn't allow me to see your form. So that's the feedback that you were given because I wasn't able to see your document.